Hi guys, how's it going today? I'm actually getting really good at making my videos short because I'm planning much more in advance. I want to show you guys my Tron TA that I did yesterday, or yeah, just yesterday actually, okay? Risky setup, enter between 400 to 475, and this is what I basically said, okay? I said that there was a wedge forming. See, we see this wedge forming that wants to break. If it does hold above 400, a very conservative target of 236 fib of the entire wave is possible, with the target of the 775 Satoshi range, right? And I still have it up from yesterday, actually. This right here. Now let me show you guys why this setup was really good. This is one of my bigger calls this year already, right? My Twitter and my YouTube is just getting flooded with people saying thank you because, well, people just made 70% of their money. Ha ha. So yeah, if you put in $1,000, you would have made $700. Yeah, if you put in 10 grand, you would have made 7 grand. So here's why it was good. Here's the buy zone, right? And we see it wedging into this pattern, right? So this wedge is now officially broken, but what we do see is a channel forming, right? We see a channel forming like that right now. And like I said yesterday, eventually it's going to break out of there and some sort of channel is going to form like that. So this tried to break out. I think it's going to fail, to be honest. I legitimately think it's going to fail and it's going to make some sort of flag consolidation like this. I don't think it's going to get any higher than that right now. But, guys, the reason why we took this play was because we took the wave of the Fibonacci, right? Like, we took Fibonacci right here, just of that wave. And we targeted the 236 Fibonacci range conservatively. And that is it. So there's a few plays right now. Despite me saying it'll fail, this was amazing. Congratulations to the people that got into it, okay? So now that we've made an ABC type of consolidation in here, what happens next is this. And these are critical moments, okay? We'll call this A, we'll call this B, something like that. We'll call this, C, something like that. That's pretty much what it is. If not that, then it might even be something like that, an ABC, right? Just something like that. But that's pretty much what we see right now. Even on a daily, right? We're seeing an ABC corrective pattern that's forming right now, like ABC pretty much right now, okay? So it's looking great. But the reason why I'm saying it's not going to break, guys, is because it's over. The rally is over right now. We did not hit that high of a Fibonacci level when going up there. And I'm sorry to say, but it seems like 946 was the highest we're going to go. And this daily candle right here, guys, gives it away, okay? This daily candle right here is called a shooting star. Now, the psychology behind it is that the bulls have attempted to push it up throughout the whole day, right after this uptrend, but now the bears have pushed back down, and they've pushed back down quite a bit, actually, if you take a look, right? So the bulls tried, the bears pushed back down. It means that throughout the day, the bulls have officially lost control, right? And there's only 1 hour left till the day closes. So do I believe it's gonna break out of there? No, I don't think it's gonna break out of there, guys. I'm sorry to say. I think there's gonna be an extended correction for a WXY type around here, okay? So I just wanted to do a quick update on it. And this is the most important thing to take away from this, is that this is a bad time to go long, guys. I'm no financial advisor, but you don't want to go long on a shooting star like this, okay? You want to wait for a confirmation at least right now. So right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5 waves going up there already. Oh, don't mind, I've got company. So right here, if you guys take a look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what everyone is waiting to see, just like with Bitcoin right now, guys, Bitcoin's in the same boat. 5 waves have been formed, all waiting to see if it's going to fall back to a respectable Fibonacci level. A respectable one, we would likely stay somewhere bullish above the 618 Fibonacci level. So everyone is now watching for this zone right there, between the 6,000 and the 720 region. Not 720, I'd say more like 6,000 and 665 or 6,660 region. So if it falls into here and if we get a nice bounce, then who knows? We might attempt another extended wave up there, right? Or we might attempt another wave up. But just like with Bitcoin, with my analysis I did a few minutes ago, guys, that right now is in consolidation. You guys need to understand that, okay? The impulse wave is over and it's now in consolidation over the past 24 hours. Now we want to see it land in a really respectable Fibonacci level it off for a bit, and then hopefully start another wave up. And this all is wave 1, right? This is all wave X can fail anytime, okay? X can fail anytime. And ABC comes down like this, all right? And then after that, we get an impulse wave up that we attempt to break, okay? The moment that wave 2 retraces lower to this territory over here, it is over. Right now, we are in wave 1. Please understand this, okay? We are in wave 1. This is wave 2. We want wave 2 to retrace to a very respectable region, okay? When we level it off. In fact, what a lot of people do is this, okay? They wait for it to level off, and that might not even be enough for them. What they'll do, what I used to do back in my day, was I used to be a trend line trader that bought on breakout, right? I was a breakout trader. This is like 2 years back, where if that was the support resistance right there, I'd put it stop buy right there. If it broke out of there, right? If it broke out of there, which confirms that an uptrend started. Not that much risk, but of course you don't get that much reward since you're now getting more confirmation for a breakout before entering a trade. So, you know, risk to reward ratios, right? It becomes a little bit different. If you're a breakout player, your risk to reward ratio is obviously much lower. You get lower risk, you also have lower reward, right? And in general, the risk to reward ratio is like, you know, 1 to 1, to maybe 1.5 to 1 most times, like that. So it's just, I just find a lot lower. So me now, I try to catch the bottom. So this is a good play, in my opinion. I'm no financial advisor, but if you just hope that that doesn't break out, right, and it doesn't fail. So let's say that this happens. We get 1, 2, we get a subwave. You know, I'm just gonna do it like that because I can't bring the screen over anymore. Oh yeah, I can. Like that. And let's say that this subwave fails, right? Just a subwave 1 in here, and this one ends up failing below it. Then that considers it a failure as well. So guys, just like Bitcoin for the analysis I did, waiting to see how far it's going to correct to and see if it levels off, right? And see what pattern it makes. Until then, it shouldn't even be of interest to a lot of people to go long and take a chance yet because it's a little bit risky. You guys need to exercise patience and see if it levels off. But what we don't want is we don't want it to go down over here. We don't want it to go down and retrace all the way down here. If it does, then obviously that's going to be considered a WXY type extended correction. But like every other coin right now, guys, it has followed some sort of flag consolidation, and you got to ask yourself, why would not this coin as well, right? Why would this coin not as well? So this coin does look like it's ready for another breakout, but also at the same time, we got to make sure that we exercise extreme cautions and only take those chances. So right now, guys, the title of this video is going to be in consolidation right now, okay? In consolidation, waiting to see Fibonacci retracement level. Will it retrace a lot or will it not? So good luck, guys, and please stay cautious. If you enjoy these videos and they have helped you in some way, I'd really appreciate a follow and an upvote on Steemit as well. And please like, subscribe, and share these videos on YouTube. You know, tell all your friends about it. The goal is to provide TA for the community that is entirely unbiased without wanting anything in return monetary-wise. I don't want anything from you guys money-wise, just to be very clear, okay? You can donate if you want to my dog's cryptocurrency piggy bank, but there ain't ever gonna be no course that you guys pay for, okay? There will never be any material or paid content that you like through my channel. People have said many times that I could charge thousands for my content, and I looked it up. I'm like, yeah, I probably could charge thousands. A lot of the stuff online is pretty crappy compared to my material because of the energy and amount of time I put into researching and focusing on education. So if you guys like this, share it. Tell everybody about it. You know, I really appreciate the support. Good luck, Tron traders. Please stay conservative. Look for that 618 Fibonacci level. Draw it yourselves in there. I don't talk about numbers because I want you guys to go there to your computers and draw it in yourselves as well to practice, okay? So do that for me, please. See if it bounces. If not, we will get an extended correction, guys. I will be very, very clear. We will get an extended correction. You draw your trend line down there. That's where it's going to be right there. Hopefully it doesn't get that low. Hopefully it doesn't drop below 4.5, guys. Or sorry, 450. 450 is a super critical number, okay, guys? Okay, I'll see you later. Take it easy.